if you are a MacBook user, then you should know that why you should purchase the MacBook, and if you are not, then in this video I'm going to tell you that why you should purchase the MacBook and whether you should purchase it or not. What are the benefits and what are the disadvantages to purchase a MacBook? So without wasting your time, let's continue the video. And before moving on, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So either like this video or dislike, but do subscribe and don't forget to get notified for the more videos like this. Assalamualaikum everyone, my name is Sarwak and you're watching Daily Tutorials. So in this video I'm going to tell you about this MacBook, that what are the benefits to purchase and use a MacBook and what are the disadvantages to have a MacBook. I think you may know that this is a costly device and this machine is early 2015 model that I'm using and it's now early 2019. So still no, I don't face any issues except the charging issue. So if you may know that whenever you are using either you are using the MacBook or any other Apple device, then sometimes you see there are the difficulties in the cable section. So similarly I faced the issue with my cord, the charging cord. I already repaired it twice. So there is not any other issue that I am facing till now except the storage. So I am using the MacBook with 128 GB storage. So you might be laughing at me that why I am having this 128 GB MacBook. So let me tell you that when I purchased it, my budget was only 140k PKR rupees, so it is almost $1,400 back in 2015. So I bought this MacBook with only 128 GB storage and I purchased the external hard drive with 1 TB to store my data. So let me help you that why you should purchase this MacBook. So the first thing is this is the really cool device. So the first advantage to have a MacBook is its user experience. So whatever the device you are using, if you use the MacBook, then you will not face any problem with the user experience. So the second thing is, if you are having an iPhone, then you will see that seamless integration between the devices and you can easily transfer the data and easily communicate all the devices that are from the Apple brand. So the third thing is easy to choose. So either you are having a MacBook or not, then you may know that there are only 3 MacBooks available versions in the market, which is MacBook, MacBook Air and MacBook Pro. So you can easily decide that which unit you want and which is the best for you. The fourth thing is the security. The MacBook is a very secure device. Till now I am still receiving the updates on this MacBook 2015 version. So you may think that how secure this device could be. The major thing is the build quality. Either you are using a laptop or any other device except the MacBook, then you may see that the build quality is not as good enough as the MacBook quality, so you may not face any issues while using this device. The last thing I like about this MacBook is the screen. So you have the Retina display with the MacBook Pro version, and if you are not having the MacBook Pro version, then you may not have the Retina screens. Overall, this is not a heavy machine, but it can do the heavy tasks for you easily and seamlessly. But if you are using this MacBook in the Asia regions where the temperature is a little bit high than the other countries, then you might see the heat problems while doing the rendering that I am doing 4K video rendering on it. So now let's talk about the disadvantages of the MacBook. So the first thing is the cost. This MacBook machine is very costly for the normal persons that only want to buy a laptop. They should not have to purchase this MacBook because they know that it is a very costly machine and you can't afford it. So if you afford it, then you can purchase it. Second thing is the Windows software. So if you might think that you will get all the Windows software on this machine, then I'm really sorry that you can't, but you can use the virtual machine on it and you can install those softwares on it, but you will not use those softwares to the maximum potential. My final verdict is, if you afford it, then you should purchase it. If you don't, then you should not purchase it, because there is not anything else that will stop you to buy this awesome machine. So I think that you may like this video. If you do like, please do give me a thumbs up, and if you don't, then let me know in the comment box. Thank you for watching this video. Take care. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.